Chicken karahi. Ingredients for chicken karahi. Oil half a cup. Ginger plus garlic, chopped, 1/4 cup. Green chilies, chopped, 2 tablespoons. Cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Chicken, karahi cut, 1 kilogram. Tomato, sliced, 2 cups. Red chili powder 1½ tablespoons. Salt 1 tablespoon / to taste. Red chili flakes 1 tablespoon. Coriander seeds plus cumin seeds, roasted plus crushed, 2 tablespoons. Black pepper, crushed, 1 teaspoon. Yogurt half a cup. Ingredients for garnishing. Green chilies as required. Ginger as required. Green coriander as required. Directions for chicken karahi preparation. 1. In a pan, heat oil and add ginger and garlic and sauté